If you are wondering whether Bugatti is available in Forza Horizon 6, then at least right now the answer is no. I'm recording this during the early access period of the game, and currently there are no Bugatti cars included in the lineup. For example, if you open something like the Horizon promo, where you can check the full list of cars in the game, you'll notice all the manufacturers are listed there. You can see brands like Audi, Bentley, BMW, Buick, Cadillac and others, but Bugatti is missing from the list completely. So unfortunately, as of now, there are no Bugatti vehicles in Forza Horizon 6. Now that could definitely change later on. There is still a good chance that Bugatti gets added in a future update, expansion or car pack. Most likely, the reason they are not in the game right now is because of licensing or partnership issues, so there probably wasn't an agreement ready in the time for launch, but honestly, there is a pretty decent chance we'll see Bugatti added later in the future. Leave a like and subscribe for more Forza Horizon 6 videos. Thanks for watching.